If Hitler had not attacked Russia, he could have consolidated his position in Europe and dominated the continent for who knows.
In the case of Germany, there were people within the general staff who said, you know what, Britain, we may not be able to invade Britain, but Britain can't really do us damage. And the Americans will not intervene unless they're attacked. That was true. And the Soviet Unions are supplying us with all sorts of oil and wheat and precious metals. And we've won the war. They thought they won the war by April 1941.
They won the war for Europe.
Yes, they did. And they had the resources of today's European Union. But human nature being what it is, Hitler's idea was, well, wait a minute, I overran France in 6 weeks. In World War I, it took us 4 years and we only got 70 miles. Based on that calculus, 6 weeks will be 3 weeks into Russia because Russia collapsed in 2.5 years. France never did. I cracked the hardest nut first. And now Russia, like it was in 1917 and 18, will sue for peace in 6 weeks, meaning half the time that it took me in World War I. He had this ratio in his head.